Hi viewers, this is Nathan from Riyan Visas and Immigration from Hyderabad, and I've joined this organization 3 years back as a process manager, and based on my performance and my skill set, I've been recently promoted as the branch manager for the same organization. Here we are involved into multiple countries for work permit, our strength being UK. In addition to that, we are also involved in Canada, Australia, Malta, Netherlands and Poland. I'm here to discuss with you with regards to Canada PR. Canada is the land of opportunity when it comes to immigration. The only country which welcomes any domain, say IT or even non-IT. Here the key factor for immigration for Canada is age, education and work experience. Age is recommended between 30 to 35, with the education being minimum masters, and fair enough work experience of minimum 2 to 3 years. IELTS is also the minimum requirement here, wherein the more the score, the better the chance that they stand when their application gets picked in the express entry pool. So once their application gets picked in the express entry pool, they stand a good chance of getting immigrated to Canada. Now, apart from permanent residency, which is immigration, we also assist in Canada work permit. Now here, this is a blue collar opportunity where an individual is minimum qualification required of 10th and age limit of not more than 40. And any individual who is a graduate is showing interest for this opportunity very well stands a good chance of applying for express entry post 2 years of work permit with us, because the minimum requirement for immigration is graduation, which this individual has, and when they file their application being in Canada, they stand a fair chance to get picked from any of the provinces. So work permit also adds an advantage for them as they have a real-time work experience. Apart from work permit, we are also encouraging our clients for a student. As you know, Canada stands the second best when it comes to students, just immediately after US. Here, not only the student, after finishing their qualification or education for the respective field, they are also given postgraduate work permit, wherein they get an opportunity to explore their skills in their domain. Say after a certain period of time that they spend on work permit, they also are eligible to apply for permanent residency. In other words, immigration. So this also becomes one of the pathways for a person to immigrate to Canada. So when we realize that an individual is on permanent residency and if he wishes to invite their siblings or parents, we are here to assist them navigate our clients to help them to ensure that they reach their desired destination in the form of a visitor or on a business trip. So as I've explained to you the process related to Canada, if you really feel that my video is going to be beneficial for you, you can please subscribe to my video, click on the bell icon, and if you have any further queries related to Canada PR and for that matter for any country, whichever I have mentioned earlier in my conversation, you are most welcome to reach me out on 850-100-7082. Alternatively, you can check and browse our website for further latest updates on www.riyanvisas.com. At the same time, we have our website number, which is 703-6703-703 for further updates. So, hope you have enjoyed and this video would have been beneficial for you. Signing off from my side, you take care. Bye.